In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Mico Widget App, Mico App tutorial. First, download Mico Widget and Live Wallpaper from the Google Play Store right here. On its Play Store listing, Mico advertises couple and battery widgets, 4 Kelvin's live wallpapers, and 1000 plus customization tools for creating your aesthetic home screen. Once installed, open Mico and grant any requested permissions, for example access to photos or media, so that it can generate and show widgets. Inside the Mico app, browse its templates or widget categories, photo widget, battery, quotes, animated, etc. Pick one you like. Then you'll be able to customize it. Change the background image, upload your own photo or select from gallery. Edit text, font, size, color, alignment. Adjust shape, frame, padding, overlays, transparency. Apply filters or effects if available. Once you're satisfied, save or export the widget design so it's available for placement. After creating and saving the design, follow these steps to put it on your home screen. Long press on a blank space on your home screen, a menu pops up. Go ahead and tap Widgets. From the list, find Mico or Mico Widget and Live Wallpaper. Press and hold the widget size you want, for example small, medium, large, then drag it to an empty spot on your home screen. Once placed, tap the widget or edit to select among your saved designs the one you created in Mico. If your widget includes dynamic content time, quotes, battery, levels, etc., make sure the app is permitted to refresh in the background. Let's now get to troubleshooting tips and pitfalls to watch out for. Widgets disappearing or showing a Mico icon temporarily is a known glitch. Some users report that widget previews disappear after app updates or system changes. Ads in the app are heavy. Multiple flows in Mico may force you to watch or close ads to continue using or saving designs. Some templates tend to lean very pastel or pink or similar color palettes. Customizing colors may be necessary to match your style. Because Android updates can change how widgets or overlays are handled, keep Mico updated so it stays compatible with your Android version. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.